Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on 8-Ball Pool. So let's get started right away. In order to turn off the notifications, first of all, go ahead and open up your phone settings. Once you open it up, just go ahead and tap on the applications and this will show you all of the apps that are installed on your phone. Now from the application page, just tap on 8-Ball Pool and now underneath the app info settings, you will see notifications within privacy. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now if this allow notification button is turned on, then you will receive notifications from the game. So in order to turn it off, go ahead and turn this button off and now you will stop receiving notifications from the 8-Ball Pool game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on 8-Ball Pool game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.